There are many products available to choose measuring spoons, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best measuring spoons from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. U-Taste 18 8 Stainless Steel Measuring Spoons. The U-Taste 18 8 stainless steel measuring spoons are equally great as a first set for new cooks or a complete set for cooks who often cut recipes in half. Accomplished cooks will love the precision of the smaller measures that aren't usually included in basic sets, like the 1/2 tablespoon. In all, it includes 9 spoons that measure 1/16 teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/3 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon. While the collection is quite extensive, it doesn't take up much space in a drawer since the full set nests inside one another and is held together by a detachable ring, which also allows hanging storage. We discovered the spoons had a nice weight to them and felt quite durable. The bowl of each spoon is deep, so liquids are easily contained, and the edge is straight and thin, which makes leveling dry ingredients simple. Number 2. Farberware Color Measuring Spoons. Fun colors and easy-to-read markings make this budget set a pleasure to use in the kitchen. The colors are great for when young kids help in the kitchen, since you can tell them to use the blue spoon or the red one instead of measurements. They're also durable for being made of plastic and extra lightweight, which our tester appreciated when letting her toddler help prep a loaf of banana bread. The dishwasher-safe set is very affordable, so you can pick up 2 if your little kitchen helper wants their own. The set includes a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon, and it comes on a detachable ring to keep the spoons neatly together. We measured salt, sugar, and cooking oil with this set. The underside of the handles is slightly contoured and comfortable to grip, but this may not be the case with larger hands. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Measuring Spoons. Magnets keep these 4 spoons together, so you'll always be able to find the one you need in your drawer. You can also separate them and hang them on your refrigerator, where they'll always be handy. It includes the sizes you'll use most often, so it's a great starter set for new chefs making simple and easy recipes. The stainless steel build feels very sturdy and durable, with no give or bending when pressure was applied to the handles. They have a nice weight to them as well. When measuring baking powder and vanilla extract, the spoons feel very comfortable in hand. The handle is neither too long nor too short, and the non-slip grip makes carrying the spoons to a mixing bowl or pot feel extra secure and sturdy. The bowl of each spoon has a nice depth and width to it, so no ingredients, including liquids, were spilled during transport. Number 4. Spring Chef Heavy Duty Stainless Steel Metal Measuring Spoons. Measuring spices requires the same precision as measuring sugar or salt, but since spice bottles tend to be narrow, measuring spoons often don't fit inside. These spoons are designed to fit into spice jars, creating less of a mess, though you can use them for all your other measuring needs too. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the material feels thick and sturdy and doesn't give or bend when pressure is applied to the handle. The edges are smooth too, unlike some stainless steel sets that feel rougher. The tapered, extra-long handles are comfortable to grip and offer plenty of space to keep your fingers out of whatever you're dipping the spoons into. The spoons are deep enough to measure liquids without fear of spilling, and you can even lay them flat on your workspace. Number 5. Dreamfarm Levoons Self-Leveling Measuring Spoons. The leveling feature is nice and does a really great job. But be aware the excess ingredient will fall onto your counter or into your mixing bowl if you're not prepared to catch it with a clean bowl or the ingredients container. We thought the level might interfere with measuring liquids, but it didn't. Additionally, sticky and semi-solid ingredients, like natural peanut butter or honey, are tough to measure with these spoons. It can be done, but the level is tough to clean by hand. Luckily, the set is dishwasher safe, so it's easy to give them a thorough cleaning. There's not much of a handle to these spoons because of the squeezable self-leveling design, which makes them a little uncomfortable to hold. Yet, the spoons snap together for neat storage, so you'll always be able to find them in your kitchen drawer. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.